Hi, I'm Whitney Morgan, Hashimoto's coach, gluten-free warrior, and creator of the Thyroid Reboot Method and the Gluten Gauntlet mini course. When you've got Hashimoto's or hypothyroidism, the symptoms that you experience can be debilitating and all-consuming. Let's face it, when you're dealing with crushing fatigue, hair loss, and out-of-control weight gain, it can be really hard to focus on anything else. But focusing exclusively on your symptoms can actually impede your progress toward rebuilding your thyroid function. So, what should you focus on instead? Well, the answer is root cause investigation. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 4 basic steps to uncovering the root causes of your crappy thyroid symptoms. But before we jump into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. I've worked with dozens of women with Hashimoto's and hypothyroidism, and by far, the clients who make the fastest and most progress are those who focus less on their symptoms and more on the root causes. Unfortunately, most of us have been conditioned by conventional medicine to be pretty symptom focused. We go to the doctor when we have symptoms, and we expect a quick solution to make those symptoms go away. And usually that solution comes in the form of a prescription, a medical procedure, sometimes even a surgical procedure. In the world of functional medicine, however, when presented with a list of symptoms, a good functional practitioner counsels their client to ask why. Sure, we want the symptoms to go away, but the more important thing is to ask why we have them in the first place. Developing a root cause mindset requires patience and curiosity, and this isn't always easy. So it's helpful to remember that there are 4 basic steps to uncovering root causes. And any practitioner that you're working with should be walking you through each one of these steps and making sure that you understand the process. Step number 1, generate a list of usual suspects. So a few examples of who these suspects might be are things like thyroid hormone and adrenal hormone imbalances, food sensitivities, gut infections, and heavy metal toxicity. There are certainly other possible suspects, but these are some of the most common ones. Step number 2, investigate each suspect through a combination of functional and conventional lab testing. This is the only way to eliminate suspects from your investigation and get closer to the truth. Step number 3, correlate the test data with symptoms and health history. The correlation process is about looking at all the clues and connecting all the dots. And accurate correlation is the key to the final and 4th step, which is develop a comprehensive and customized healing strategy based on data-driven conclusions. Having a comprehensive and step-by-step plan customized to your unique situation is essential. The purpose of these kind of plans is to resolve underlying root causes. And as underlying root causes are resolved, symptoms fall away on their own. To learn more about my Thyroid Reboot Method and how to rebuild your thyroid function from the ground up using root cause investigation, just use the link that I provide in the video notes. If you're watching the replay on Instagram, just head to my bio link. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can let me know by liking it, subscribing to my channel, or sharing this video with a friend with Hashimoto's or hypothyroidism. And as always, if you've got questions, just leave them in the comments. I do my best to answer everyone. I'll see you next week, everybody. Bye.